Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw money from a 403(b) account in 2025. If you're an employee of a nonprofit, school, or tax-exempt organization, you might have a 403(b) retirement plan, and knowing how to access those funds is crucial for your financial future. Let's get straight to it. First things first, a 403(b) is like a cousin to the 401k. It's a tax-advantaged retirement savings plan designed for certain public sector and nonprofit workers. But withdrawing money isn't as simple as swiping your debit card. You typically need to be at least 59.5 years old to avoid penalties, though there are exceptions like financial hardships, disabilities, or required minimum distributions after age 72. Step 1. Review your plan's rules. Every 403(b) plan has its own guidelines, so start by contacting your plan administrator or checking your account portal. They'll have the latest details, especially with any 2025 updates from the IRS that might affect withdrawal options, things like potential changes to contribution limits or penalty waivers. Step 2. Decide on your withdrawal method. You could opt for a lump sum payout, which gives you a big chunk of cash all at once, or set up systematic withdrawals for a steady income stream. Another smart move is considering a rollover to an IRA or another qualified plan to defer taxes and penalties. Before you proceed, be aware of the tax implications. Withdrawals are treated as ordinary income, so you'll owe taxes on the amount you take out. And if you're under 59.5, you might face a 10% early withdrawal penalty, unless you qualify for an exception. That's why it's essential to crunch the numbers and avoid unnecessary hits to your nest egg. In 2025, keep an eye out for evolving regulations. Things could change with new laws, so stay informed through reliable sources. Finally, always consult a financial advisor or tax professional before making any moves. They can help tailor this to your unique situation and prevent costly mistakes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. What's your biggest question about retirement accounts? Drop it in the comments below. Let's chat.